All right, welcome to the Samsung Wallet Tech Session. My name is Leo. I'm a product lead on the Samsung Wallet team, focusing on tickets, passes, payments, developer portal, among other verticals.
And my name is Michelle. I'm also a product lead on the Wallet team, focusing on digital IDs, health, and a few other initiatives. We are excited to be here today to showcase some new features and products that we feel will help you improve the experience for your end users. Additionally, we think these offerings will also help us to expand our partner ecosystem. With that being said, we would like to focus on 4 topics today. Firstly, we'll walk you through what's new with our Add to Samsung Wallet offering. Secondly, we'll introduce you to the new notifications we've now enabled for partners. We'll then discuss the revamped partner portal. And lastly, our new mobile driver's license SDK. I'll now hand it off to you, Leo, to get us started.
All right. Let's start with Add to Samsung Wallet. You probably already know that Samsung Wallet supports many different card types today, such as payment cards, memberships, event tickets, digital IDs, and more. As a developer, you can choose the card type that best fits your business needs and your use cases. You can then onboard to our partner portal and integrate the Add to Samsung Wallet service to allow your users to add the wallet card that you created with the click of a button. We also continue to expand the Add to Samsung Wallet service to more card types to address the many different use cases that our users face in their daily lives. For example, we're expanding the Add to Samsung Wallet service to digital IDs across mobile driver's license, ID cards, and student IDs. We're also expanding the service to digital keys to allow users to add their home keys or car keys in select models. For your daily commute, we're also introducing the transit card that allows users to easily pay for subways, trains, or buses. We're introducing many great new features today. I just want to mention that the availability of these new features may differ by geographic region, a user's device, and the launch timeline. In addition to Samsung Wallet, Add to Samsung Wallet support for different card types, we're also introducing other new exciting features to help you build a more rich user experience. First, we're introducing NFC-enabled event tickets to allow users to enter select event venues via a tap-and-go experience, such as stadiums or concerts. And we're also pleased to announce a more services menu that would allow our partners to introduce links to specific locations within the app, the partner app, or mobile web. We're also working on a benefits menu as well as partner event banners to allow our partners to provide coupons or offers or promote special events to their users. Lastly, we built Samsung Wallet with security in mind. We're also introducing new security enhancements that will help you protect your users. The More Services menu can be accessed directly from the front of a wallet card. It provides a dedicated page for our partners to link your users to your specific locations within your app or mobile web. For example, an amusement park partner may want to provide a link to an interactive map of the park or a special events calendar, such as upcoming fireworks or parades. Partners can provide up to 4 items on the More Services menu, and this feature is available for memberships, event tickets, and generic cards. The benefits menu can also be accessed from the front of the wallet card and allow partners to provide coupons, offers, or deals to their users. Users can view these coupons on a dedicated page. And depending on your implementation, the users could either save the coupon directly within their wallet or be redirected to an external coupon link that our partner chooses. This feature will be available for memberships. Partner event banners allows partners to add event banners in the card details page to promote special events such as an annual year-end sale. The feature will be available for memberships, coupons, boarding passes, and event tickets. As I mentioned, we built Samsung Wallet with security in mind. We're introducing 2 new security features to allow you to add an extra layer of protection to protect your users. First, the secure add to wallet allows the developer to include an authentication step when users add their wallet card to their wallet. This would ensure that only the intended users is able to add the wallet card. Second, a secure share feature allows end users to also include an authentication step when sharing a wallet card. And the user gets to choose what the receiving user would authenticate with. For example, they can authenticate with the Samsung account, a PIN number, as well as a few other authentication methods. With all these great new features for our wallet cards, I would like to next talk about how we can help you drive user engagement. I would like to introduce our notifications for partners. From the many conversations we have with our partners, we learned about the importance of customizing the user communication. We heard the feedback loud and clear and are pleased to announce our new notification system for our partners to personalize and customize this communication channel. I want to mention 3 key highlights. First, you as a developer get to define and author the messages that fits your business brand and your use cases. Second, you can send both functional or marketing messages depending on the use case. And third, we are also offering an analytics dashboard to allow you to track the performance of these notifications. We believe that a personalized notification message will help you drive user engagement. We define 2 types of notification. First are notification messages for marketing use cases, where you can send promotional messages such as use your membership card to get 20% off on your next purchase. The second type of notification would be for non-marketing use cases, where you will send informational or functional messages such as important updates or reminders. An example would be your utility bill is due today. Pay now to avoid late fees. If you look on the right-hand side here, you see that the notification would have a Samsung Wallet logo on the left and a partner logo on the right to indicate that the message comes from your business through the Samsung Wallet card. Note that these messages are completely customizable with the ability to accept input variables so that you can put your user's name in the message, for example, to provide a more personalized experience. Here's a closer look to what that means for you as a developer to leverage this new communication channel. It is a 3-step process to start building personalized notification messages. Step 1, you would create a message template on our partner portal, and then you would submit it for Samsung review. Note that each message template only needs to be reviewed and approved once. Step 2, Once the message template is approved, you can then call our send notification API to send those notifications to your users at any time. Lastly, you can track notification performance, such as the number of impressions or clicks, all in our partner portal dashboard. If you look on the right-hand side here, this is an example of what a developer would see on our partner portal. First, you would select the message type, whether it's marketing or non-marketing. Then you would draft the notification and include any input variables as you see fit. And you can also see that we also show a preview of how the message will look like to your end users. And at the same time, our system will run a content check to make sure that there are no inappropriate content. And once you're satisfied with your notification template, you can submit it for Samsung review. On the bottom right corner here is a sample of how our analytics dashboard would look like for you to track the performance of your notification over time. And that is our new notification platform. You probably heard me mention our partner portal a couple times throughout the presentation. And now I would like to introduce our revamped partner portal. To provide a more seamless developer experience, we have integrated the Samsung Wallet and Pay partner portal into our developer portal with improved usability and new features. We have created a business account with multi-user support. Secondly, we also built specialized features that are dedicated to serve our aggregator partners, who are partners that have their own platform and serve multiple clients to build wallet cards. Let's go into more details in the next few slides. We understand that many of our partners have teammates scattered around different offices, different locations. To make the collaboration easy on Samsung Wallet development, we created a business account with multi-user support that allows you to invite your colleagues and manage your team throughout the whole development lifecycle. We also now support multiple CSRs, or certificate signing requests, to address our partners' security needs. We not only work with individual merchants, we also work with aggregator partners, like I mentioned earlier. From working with our aggregator partners, we discover their unique needs that are different from a typical individual merchants. As a result, we're excited to introduce special features that are dedicated to serving the aggregator partners. First, we introduced an API for creating wallet cards in bulk. That allows our aggregator partners to create wallet cards and manage those wallet cards on behalf of their clients programmatically, greatly reducing the overhead of managing different clients. We also understand that as an aggregator, there may be times where your clients may want to switch to a different service provider. We made this migration easy through the support of file export and import, so that the aggregator migration and the subsequent onboarding process is simplified. I will now pass the mic to Michelle, who will be talking about our latest updates in the digital ID space.
Thanks, Leo. Let's dive in. If you recall, for those that remember, last year at the same conference in San Francisco, the Samsung Wallet team made the announcement that we would be launching MDL functionality with 2 states, Arizona and Iowa. I'm happy to announce that we have now launched this with 3, Arizona, Iowa, and Maryland. So what this means is right now, Samsung Wallet users that have IDs or driver's licenses from these states are able to add them into the wallet and use them at select airports all across the country, for example, to go through TSA. Additionally, in some cases, like in Maryland and Iowa, They're even able to use these IDs as a real form of ID verification at small businesses and restaurants. That's to say that these IDs are being used for real, common, in-person scenarios. These IDs are issued directly from the state. And from the Samsung Wallet perspective, we're excited to not only expand this functionality to more states, but also to more Samsung Wallet users like yourselves. Stepping aside from our plans for state expansion, we do recognize that there are a lot of use cases where a user would have to present their IDs or essentially prove their identity. And those cases may not always be in person. Think back to the last time you had to take a photo of the front and back of your ID to complete some sort of online application, or even to perform some kind of tedious KYC process. With this in mind, we're excited to launch our mobile driver's license SDK, which we hope will relieve some of these pain points for you and for our Samsung Wallet users. Again, we see this technology helping our partners, but also Samsung Wallet users in the future. So from the perspective of a partner, say a car rental app like in the example behind me, they can take advantage of the Samsung Wallet tech to streamline their user experience, user screening, user profile creation, and user ID verification. Partners can request and then receive the most minimal and essential information they need from the user in a trusted and secure manner. On the other side, we're empowering our everyday Samsung Wallet users by enabling them to choose when and who to consent to providing their information to. So the power is still in their hands. We'll get back to this car rental example in a few slides. Our goal with all of this is to reduce user and partner friction as it relates to ID verification. And to do this, we understand that we need to meet our partners where they're at. That is why our SDK currently covers two common scenarios. The first is app-to-app. Partners that need to verify their users' identities through their native Android applications will now be able to utilize and add the Verify with Samsung Wallet button into their app by integrating with the Samsung Wallet SDK. For partners that use mobile web, they will still be able to leverage the button, but will do so via Web API. We have prioritized these two channels, which do require the partner app or website to be on the same device as the Samsung Wallet app. But we are working with certain partners to develop cross-device support where the partner service and Samsung Wallet app can be on two different devices. So for example, the Samsung Wallet app could be on a mobile phone, but the user could be trying to verify their identity on a tablet. If you have more questions about these use cases I've highlighted here or implementation, you can reach out to us at our booth. OK. Behind me, you'll soon see a video of this functionality that we're excited to offer. It is very quick, and I think that's good because it's a simple process, but I want to highlight some of the main points. In this example, we stepped into the shoes of a partner like yourselves and have created a dummy application, a car rental app, that is requesting certain information from the user. So in the video, you'll see this user here. She'll click the Verify with Samsung Wallet button. She'll then see the specific information that's requested of her. Again, it's not all the information on your ID. It's a subset, and it's only what the partner needs. She'll consent to that. In the example, I think she's going to use a PIN, but it could just as easily be a fingerprint. The information will be received, and the transaction is complete. It's quick, seamless, and secure for both users and partners. OK, let's watch. OK, just to reiterate, it's quick, seamless, and secure for both partners and users, hence the shortness of the video. But to help you as partners, we have a full integration guide available on the Samsung Developer Portal that you can onboard onto to follow step-by-step guidance.
We're excited to share all the new features and product launches with you today. We believe by putting our partners' needs front and center, we will expand our partner ecosystem together as a team. To recap, we're introducing Add to Samsung Wallet service to multiple different new wallet card types, as well as other enhancements to the wallet card. We're also introducing our new notification system for our partners. And we're also launching a revamped partner portal. And last but not least, we're introducing our mobile driver's license SDK. For more information, please visit us at our Samsung Wallet booth in the Enterprise and Ecosystem Zone. And if you want to meet our developers or see how our code works behind the scenes, you can also visit us at CoLab numbers 10 through 13. We hope you're excited as we are about the future of Samsung Wallet. Thank you for joining us. Enjoy the rest of SDC.